never know because you don't listen. So just drop it. I've tried to tell you, but you don't fucking listen to me.
Tell me what?
I've already told you. Now drop it. I told you when it happened. I told you what day it happened. I told you when it happened. I told you afterwards.
When and
but you
what
don't
happened?
fucking listen.
What are you talking about? When and what
Just
happened?
drop
What
it.
are you talking
What
about?
are you talking about? The same thing. You're talking about I would never, because you wouldn't shut up. That's the reason.
What happened? What? I don't even.
It doesn't matter, Cassandra. Just drop it. You don't need to know nothing no more. It's over. I said drop it. You don't need to know nothing. It's over and done with.
I just want.
Don't need to know nothing no more.
That's when our marriage started to fall apart.
That's because you fucking wouldn't shut up.
Because you tried to kill me, and I don't know
because
why.
you don't. Because you fucking wouldn't shut the fuck up.
I don't know why though.
Yes, you know why. Well, you wouldn't be so fucking high and saying the shit, then you would have fucking remembered.
I don't know why.
Because you were running your goddamn cocksucker.
You said you're gonna rat on me.
No, I didn't say that. I didn't say nothing about ratting, honey. It was you that running your goddamn mouth in there, the top of your lungs with the neighbors on. I'm like, you fucking this little girl, la 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 la. On and on. I told you to shut up, and I told you to shut up, and you didn't shut up, so I had to shut you up. That's why. You wouldn't shut the fuck up.
Well, let me tell you.
Now it's done and over with. I didn't try to kill you, just trying to shut you up. That's all. Any day. But now you know why. Because you wouldn't shut up. That's plain and simple.
Maybe
truth, baby. I done told you. I just got through telling you.
So,
what?
I don't understand the neighbors.
The neighbors were there when you were running at the top of your lungs with the door wide open. I just came in.
You were downstairs.
And you were steady.
The lady and I had just argued.
No, baby. There was
yes.
No, okay, whatever.
The lady and I had just argued and the police came.
No, that's not the same.
Yes, that's the day. That is that day.
This was before then.
No, 7/24. That's that day.
I'm not talking about the argument with the lady. This was before that.
No, when you choked me, that was that day.
I know what day it was. That's not the problem, though. Before, afterwards.
But that was
before you and the lady got into it. It was before that.
I wasn't here. I had left.
Never mind, baby. Never mind. When you sober up, I'll tell you. I guess